Welcome to the first international, interphenomenal, intergalactic LEGO News Show! And here he is, the one, the only Mr. News himself, Dan Brickman! And the amazingly talented and most glamorous woman in show business, Miss Helen Stone!
Just as I imagined the start of the International LEGO News Show. It's got style, it's got presence, it's got glamour. What do you think, Helen?
A little too much glamour for me. Especially the glitter robo.
I love Dan Brickman.
But Robbie? No, he's spot on. I need to give my fans something special in my first International LEGO News Show.
And mine.
Oh, yes, of course.
Mine.
You didn't know. The LEGO Club's Max is our correspondent.
Cora.
Hey, partner. How about a big team high five?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome to the team, Max. What cool stuff have you brought with you?
Something really big. The Lego City Demolition Site Machines. Hi, guys.
Max.
What's up?
Hey, Max.
How's Trix? Hi there. Hey, how do you get to be a wrecking ball crane operator?
Well, I used to demolish my little brother's sandcastles, so it's pretty much the same thing.
Oh, awesome.
Can I try?
Are you Dan Brickman?
In person.
No.
Oh, come on. Please. For example, what's this button?
Cool. Dan's hanging out with our deep sea explorers.
Do you think we should help him?
If I know Dan, he'll be fine.
Okie dokie.
Thanks for being there, guys. And if you'd like to find out how I got to know these lovely people, then check out lego.com/club. It was quite an adventure, I can tell you.
But before you go, let's take a group picture. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yo,
Our scientific advisor, Professor Egghead, has already prepared something for us.
Indeed, Miss Stone. This is the very latest in photographic technology with integrated blah 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 generator. I call it the remote effect photoscope.
Sensational.
Isn't it? The sophisticated telescopic mechanism can be extended by means of a zero gravitational field up to 100 meters without the user being affected by the leverage.
Cool. A selfie stick.
hello?
Wow. How far can that go? And cheese. Wow. Up close, I look even better. That's me.
And now, over to you. What should Professor Egghead invent next? Send us your suggestions in the comments below. We'll feature the coolest idea in one of the next shows.
Exactly. We're looking forward to seeing your great ideas.
That's pretty much a wrap.
Well then, until next time, we'll be back in October.
With my second International LEGO News Show.